Why you decided to make a change in your life?
You know, because I kind of figure it's been 4 years, and the best 4 years. It's been wonderful. It's been a privilege to work under Stephen Moffat, but I think, you know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. Trends are all cool, you know. It's sad, I'm gonna miss it, and I'm gonna miss Comic-Con as well. I love Comic-Con's great, isn't it? The world should be more like Comic-Con. But yeah, it wasn't an easy choice, you know? It wasn't an easy decision to come to, but I don't know. You can't play it forever. And because it's such a... And look, they'll get someone amazing. They'll get someone brilliant to do it. They really will. And, you know, and that's the great thing about the show, is that it continues, and the strength of it survives, and it will get better, and it will get bigger, and it will keep going. And you'll forget about me.